Hey Discord, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool missile right here, and basically what this is a magnetic phone grip. So definitely put this in the back of your iPhone device, and they call this the Anker 610, which is also under the new series of the MagGo series. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see they provide you guys this piece of paper right here. So this is basically like a feedback paper right here. And then back right here, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And right here, you can see we have the actual product right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So this part right here is basically the magnetic part right here. And they do have the Anker logo right here. And for this option right here, it's basically like a ring finger holder option like this, if you guys want to hold your phone like that. Or if you guys want to use this as a kickstand, you definitely can as well. And for this product, I actually have it in a few other colors as well. So they have it in like white, purple, and then blue, which is what we have right here. So basically the way how you guys use it is very simple. All you guys need to do is go like this, and it snaps in the back of your actual phone right here, if you can see. It definitely has a really strong magnet on here. So if you guys just keep it on like that, you guys can actually pull it out like this, and put your fingers through here like this, and hold your phone like that if you guys want to. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the kickstand option, you can definitely do that as well. So let's say if you guys put your phone like this, you can definitely use that option if you guys want to. If you guys want to turn it the other way, so maybe like this, and use the kickstand option like that, you probably can as well. But it probably works better this way. And since this phone grip option right here is magnetic, if you guys want to actually use it with a MagSafe compatible case, you can definitely do that as well. I don't have one with me right now, so I can't show you guys that test. And basically when you guys use that option right here, they don't recommend that you guys swing your hand around. If you guys do, the magnet might not be strong enough, it might come off like that. And also when you guys have this on, you guys can't actually do wireless charging on here. So you definitely need to remove this first before you guys do like MagSafe chargers or wireless chargers on here. But you definitely have the option to pull all the way this way. And if you guys want to do 360, you can definitely do that as well, if you can see. So if you want to use a stand like that, you can. Or if you guys want to use it the other way that I just show you guys, like this, you can definitely use that option on here, which is pretty nice. So that way, if you guys want to watch a video when you guys are cooking or something, so that way you guys have a hand-free option, you can definitely do that on here. Alright, so right here with the product, let me show you guys how it looks like if you guys put it onto the table. So you basically want to open up this part right here like this. And you basically put it on the table like that. So another way you guys can actually use it is by going like this. So if you guys want to turn it this way and have the phone like that, you can definitely do that as well. But probably it's not as good or it's not as ideal for you guys to use it in this option. You probably want to use it the other way. And obviously if you guys want to use the ring finger option right here to hold it, you definitely can do that as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality magnetic phone grip where it has a finger holder option that also works as a kickstand option on here. And also if you guys prefer getting like a magnetic option instead of one way you guys actually have to tape it on, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.